Namaskar. Welcome to Finance for Common Man. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. In previous videos of financial planning, we discussed how to create an income statement and 50-30-20 rule. In this video, we will discuss how to create balance sheet and use of financial statements. Now, what is personal balance sheet? Another name for balance sheet is net worth statement. Net worth is difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are what you own and liabilities are what you owe. Assets are of three types. First is liquid assets. These are those assets you own and can be easily converted into cash. These include saving account balance, cash in hand and bank deposits. Second is fixed assets. These include house, agricultural land, car and expensive furniture, etc. Before preparing balance sheet, first find out market value of these assets. Third is investments. These include stocks, mutual funds, bonds, etc. Now let us see an example of ABC's balance sheet for more understanding. ABC's balance sheet includes assets such as house, FDs, savings account balance, car, mutual funds, shares. His total assets are of 24.5 lakh. He has liabilities of housing loan, personal loan and credit card. His total liabilities are of 12 lakh. Hence, his net worth is assets minus liabilities equals to 12.5 lakh. Here we can observe ABC has diversified his assets in various instruments to lower risk and increase opportunities in various markets. Another thing is liquidity or liquid assets such as his account balance and FDs. This is important for his day-to-day expenses, medical emergencies, or for any future opportunities of buying a valuable asset at low cost. We have seen two financial statements. First, income statement. Second is personal balance sheet. We need to regularly assess these financial statements combinedly to monitor our spends and increase our net worth. Your net cash flow from income statement will help you increasing your net worth by either paying off liabilities or acquiring more assets. By using personal financial statements, you will be moving towards financial security since becoming more aware of spending habits and net worth. Now let us summarize this video. Balance sheet consists of assets and liabilities. Assets are what we own and liabilities are what we owe. Net worth is assets minus liabilities. We should diversify our assets to lower risk and increase opportunities in various markets. Always keep liquidity. Assess financial statements regularly to understand spends and net worth. Please stay tuned for upcoming videos. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Please let us know your suggestions and doubts in comment section. Please follow us on social media for more updates. Thank you.